Hey guys, Sean from Note Cycles. Today I'm going to be doing a little wiring video on our Diamond Audio Stage 3 bundle and how to wire it with any aftermarket head unit. So let's go over some of the stuff included in the bundle. You have the Diamond Audio Micro 4V2, a pair of Stinger 4000 2-channel RCAs, the Diamond Audio MST link, as well as the MSP WHR. You'll have both the 6.5-inch front fairings, the MP654, as well as the rear bag cut-in 6x9s, the MP694, as well as all necessary wiring to run from the bag lids all the way up to the amplifier. Today, we're using the Diamond Audio MS HD 14, but this is applicable for any aftermarket head unit with either 2 or 3 RCA pre-outs. Again, this is a wiring tutorial. We're going to show you everything that you're going to need to plug in from the head unit to the amplifier and speaker wires to the amplifier. So let's go ahead and show you what to do first. We're going to imagine that you have everything installed, the radio, the amplifier, the speakers, and we're just going to start wiring everything. So inside the Micro 4V2 box, you will have your RCA pigtails. Going to go ahead and remove them from the package. We're going to plug them into this side of the amplifier with all your gain controls and settings. So get those plugged in, and you'll want to make sure they click all the way in. Now both the RCA pigtails are plugged in. So you'll notice on the pigtails, one is a red color, one is more of a clear color. We'll explain more about that once we get the RCAs going. In the bundle, you'll be provided with 2 pairs of Stinger 4000 RCAs. Go ahead and take those out of the packaging. So now that they're out, you'll notice that there is a tag on the RCAs that say connect to source. Your source is going to be your head unit. You also notice that there is red on one and clear on the other. So from our head unit, we'll find which is channel 1 and channel 2, and we will plug those in accordingly. Red going to red, and clear going to white. And then going to our amplifier, we'll run them down in our bike. Plug red to red, and clear to the clear. So now we have our front set of RCAs run. Our other set of RCAs, same process, red to red, clear to white, run them down to our amp, and we will plug in red to red, and then clear to clear. By this time, you may or may not already have your MST link plugged in to your radio. So from there, you can go ahead and get that plugged in if you have not. Making sure that's locked. Now on the end of your MST link, you'll have 2 sets of wires. One will be capped off. We will not be using that one. The other one will have the 4-pin plug already on it. You'll notice that it says front. So run that to your amplifier. And then looking at your amplifier, you have front that is further away from your power connections. And then you have the rear. So go ahead and plug front into there, making sure it clicks and you hear it. Now included with the rear bag speakers, you'll have this harness. It will already come included with the amplifier plug already on it. You're going to run that up, or you have already run that up the spine of your bike, and that will then plug into the rear section of the amplifier, like such. And that is what will send all the power to the rear 6x9s. So as far as running the power wire, you can run that at the same time as your rear bag speakers. Have that run, and you will plug the ground in furthest away from the speaker adapters and run your power closest. And then you have one more wire that's included. So that is going to be your remote turn-on wire. We're going to go ahead and plug that into the remote output of our aftermarket radio. So plug that in, and you're going to run that to your amplifier and go ahead and put that into the middle section. So that concludes the wiring tutorial on our Diamond Audio Stage 3 plug-and-play bundle with an aftermarket head unit. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to us at nodecycles.com. And as always, have a blast out there.